So now let's see how we can work around with the tree plugin inside of diagrams.net. So now to enable out the tree plugin, you need to go under extras right here, and then you need to go under plugin. So once you do that, you need to click on the add button, and over here in the built-in plugins section, you can go around and select out trees. And once you do that, you can press OK and close this out right here. So now it says changes will take effect after restart. So I'm just going to go around and restart out this application right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the left side, and here you can see trees is an option. So now what I can do is I can bring in this diagram right here. So right now, nothing seems to be any different than a regular diagram that I have right here. I can go around, and this is a subtree, and I can link up the subtree right here. And similarly from over here, I can go around and bring in right here, just like this. I can bring in, let's say, more like shapes right here. I can go around and bring in this shape, connect it to this shape. So it does not seem very different compared to what I had earlier, like a regular diagram. Let me just go around and then connect it out onto another connection point, and let's do the same right here. But with the tree diagram, something is special. So I'm just going to go around and let's say select it, and under properties, you can enable collapsible property right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, enable out the collapsible property right here. And similarly, I'm going to go around over here and select this one and this one right here. And you can see that I get the different option right here, but the collapsible is not visible. So let me just go around and select this and enable out the collapsible property right here. So collapsible for this one and collapsible for this one as well. So if I were to take a regular shape and then collapse everything out, then it'll just resize. But with the tree diagram that we have right here, if we were to collapse it, click on the minus button, you can see that all of the subroots right here gets hidden right there. Same goes for this as well. As you can see, I can hide it, and I can hide everything right here by clicking on this as well. So now with the tree diagram, what happens is that if I were to click on the plus button, I can go around and expand out other contents right here, just like this, by clicking it out. You can go around, click it right here, and this is what you have. And that is how you can go around and then work around with tree plugin inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe